Surya Namaskar is the basic yoga practices. Nevertheless, it holds a lots of significance in the yoga world. It stimulates your whole body and is a prayer of gratitude towards the sun. Furthermore, it is perfect for those who are looking to perform an intense workout in small amount of time. If you manage to complete 12 asanas or yoga poses of the yoga sequence, it is equivalent to you having done 288 powerful yoga postures. In this video, we will break down the various aspects of Surya Namaskar, such as benefits and how to perform it, what time of the day to perform, and many other things. So, please keep watching. This is just the beginning. Hello friends, welcome to my channel Fat to Fitness. This is Saubhagya. If you are new to my channel, then please do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon so that you are the first person to get all the updates on meal plan, weight loss meal plan, Indian diet, weight loss transformation, and many such things. Also, please do not forget to like this video now so that you do not forget by the end of it, and share it with your friends so that even they benefit out of it. Friends, as you know, without the sun there is no life on this planet. Surya Namaskar or sun salutation is a very ancient technique of paying respect or expressing gratitude to the sun, that is the source of all forms of life on this earth. Performing sun salutation, which is Surya Namaskar, provides many health benefits. It reduces tension from your body and mind, improves circulation, regulates your breathing, and stimulates your central nervous system. According to ancient yogis, this asana also activates Manipura chakra, which is solar plexus, which is located in the navel area and is called the second brain. This increases the creative and intuitive abilities of an individual. Each posture in Surya Namaskar increases the muscle flexibility and also engages a different body part. As a result, your body gets warmed up to practice more powerful and complicated asanas. Practicing sun salutation also helps you to gain spiritual knowledge and wisdom. It calms person's mind and enables him to think clearly. It is recommended that you perform Surya Namaskar early in the morning. However, if you are pressed for the time, then you can do this in the evening as well. But before starting yoga routine, make sure that your stomach is empty. Friends, if you are a beginner interested in performing Surya Namaskar in the morning, then you must start by practicing it in the evening first. The reason behind this is that during the evening, your joints are flexible and your body muscles are more active, which makes it easier to practice more poses. If you practice sun salutation with a stiff body, it can lead to severe consequences. Once you get accustomed to all 12 steps, then you can conduct your yoga routine in the morning. My personal recommendation is to have at least 5 to 7 minutes of warm-up so that you do not injure yourself in any way. Now let's check out the various forms of Surya Namaskar. Please stick around till the end as I'm going to explain the importance of each pose or asana, also its benefits, and then I will also tell you what are its do's and don'ts, which I'm sure you don't want to mess up with. Otherwise, it will really get serious. check out the benefits. Your body becomes toned and flexible. Surya Namaskars's various poses engages different part of your body. As a result, your whole body ends up getting toned. It also makes your whole body very flexible. This results in improving overall posture and easier for you to balance your body. It will help you in losing weight. The regular practice of this yoga technique will boost your metabolism, which helps to reduce the weight around your belly area, and not just belly area. In fact, it will make you reduce that fat from throughout your body. Along with that, it also stretches your abdominal muscles, strengthens your skeletal muscles, and prevents unwanted fat deposition in those areas. It is a great way to get a beautiful hair and skin through Surya Namaskar because it enhances your blood circulation. As a result, the natural glow of your skin returns. Along with that, it also prevents the occurrence of wrinkles, hair loss, graying of hair. This gives you a youthful and radiant look. It helps in blood pressure and heart-related problems. Sun salutation is a natural remedy for blood pressure fluctuations. It is also very beneficial for heart muscles and is an excellent way to treat the irregular heartbeats. This yoga technique also reduces your sugar level. So, as a result, the risk of heart attacks reduces and your eyes, kidney, nerves stay healthy. Surya Namaskar improves energy and awareness levels. Like other asanas, this routine also focuses on breathing. This relaxes your mind and sharpens your intellect. A relaxed mind combined with healthy body causes your energy level to rise and make you self-aware. Absorption of nutrition becomes easier with sun salutation. That is because in modern days, people don't have time to sit down and enjoy a healthy meal. And this has led to the development of an unhealthy life, and which in turn has caused an increase in many such illnesses like PCOD, PCOS, and obesity. By performing Surya Namaskar daily, you can boost your digestive system and prevent many diseases from occurring. Enhanced digestion makes it easy for the body to absorb nutrition. Better nutrition absorption regulates hormones and enables the body to perform vital functions smoothly. Surya Namaskar helps you in mood swings and emotion stability, as the deep breathing technique combined with specific asanas have a positive effect on your nerve cells. Performing sun salutation proves beneficial for your brain. It can create a sense of balance between your brain's left side and right side. This increases your emotional stability and enhances your creative and mental abilities. In addition to that, practicing Surya Namaskar improves the functioning of endocrine system, especially your thyroid glands. Surya Namaskar helps regulate the menstrual cycle for women. Females with irregular periods can use this yoga technique to regulate their menstrual cycle. The daily practice of this routine can also make childbirth easier. Furthermore, it can relieve extreme period pain. Surya Namaskar helps insomnia patients. It releases stress, tension, relaxes the mind and induces sleep. It also ensures that you don't get dependent on drugs and fall asleep naturally. Surya Namaskar detoxifies your body as we inhale and exhale. If done correctly, then it can help proper functioning of your lungs. Along with that, the amount of fresh oxygen supplied to your blood also increases. And this releases carbon dioxide and other gases from your system and makes it and detoxifies your body. Regular practice of sun salutation improves bone health. As you know, the lack of vitamin D in individual weakens the bone health and can also cause skeletal deformities. People suffering from vitamin D deficiency also have a risk of heart disease and premature death. While Surya Namaskar is performed facing the sun, it helps your body to absorb the required vitamin D, and this ensures that your body and bones remain healthy. Friends, despite its many health benefits, there are some contradictions too. Heart patients should consult their doctor before performing this yoga routine. If you are suffering from back problems, then you should do sun salutation under the guidance of your yoga teacher. People having high blood pressure issues can avoid this sequence. Arthritis patients, please be cautious because arthritis brings knee stiffness and hinders knee mobility. So please consult your doctor. People suffering from hernia, or if you have hurt your wrist, then please avoid this sequence completely. Pregnant women should not practice the sun salutation because it puts pressure on your abdomen and back muscles, so please avoid. Women must also avoid sun salutation or Surya Namaskar while on their periods. So that's all, friends. I hope this video was informative and you got all the information that you needed with all the benefits, do's and don'ts of it. And if you still have any questions, please do not hesitate to write that in the comment section below and I will definitely reply to it. And friends, if you are a new visitor, then please do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon and like this video and share it with your friends so that even they can benefit out of it. Alright friends, so that's all for today, and you remember, you can make a difference. This is Saubhagya. Bye.